welcome to another Practice English with Pete, the safe place to practice functional English online. So in this video, I'd like to help you with a new skill, and that is how to pay someone a compliment, which basically means saying something nice to someone. For example, it could be about their clothes, about their hair, or about some work that they've done. Now, the secret of a good compliment is not what you say, but it's the way that you say it. So imagine I see a colleague, John, with a nice new shirt. I could say, "Hi John, I love your shirt." But a better way to say it would be, "Hi John, I love your shirt." So I extend the word love, make it a bit longer and a bit slower, and also stress the word shirt. "Hi John, I love your shirt." Oh, here comes Tara. "Hi Tara, I really liked your presentation." Which words did I stress? Yeah, I stressed really and presentation. "Hi Tara, I really liked your presentation." Now, some people feel a bit uncomfortable when they receive a compliment. So a good way to make it easier for them to accept the compliment is to ask them a question directly afterwards. For example, "Hi John, I love your shirt. Where did you get it?" So now you know how to pay a good compliment. One last thing, the word compliment is spelt with an I, not an E. So to remember that when you pay someone a compliment, you are being nice to someone. Nice with an I. Hope you like the video. If you like it, you know what to do, and I hope to see you soon. Now, what I'd like you to do in the comments below is I'd like you to pay someone a compliment. For example, you could say something nice about this video. Okay, I'm looking forward to hearing your comments. See you next time. Bye.